Over the past year, we've seen an alarming number of high-profile data breaches exposing customer cardholder data and personal information because of compromised point-of-sale systems. Today, we'll show you how COMODO Securebox can protect your POS application even if user sessions are running on infected endpoint devices. For this demonstration, we'll show you how Securebox completely defeats the infamous keylogger malware called Backoff. The U.S. Secret Service has reported that at least 1,000 retailers have been compromised by Backoff. The 7 largest providers of point-of-sale systems have reported that they all have customers that were infected. Backoff installs itself as a service that runs at startup, meaning it will survive a memory refreshing reboot. It collects all user keystrokes and sends them to the hacker's server, providing a wealth of data that's easy for criminals to monetize. You can see we've already downloaded the Backoff executable. To confirm, we'll check this MD5 code at us-cert to see if this hash actually belongs to Backoff. As you can see, the malware we downloaded is the last or latest version of Backoff. Now we'll run Backoff and look at what it's doing on the machine. You can see here it has started a process called javaw.exe. Also, a folder named Oracle Java and a log.txt file were created. This is where Backoff will record my keystrokes and then send them directly to the hacker's server. I'll open Wireshark to show you that it's actively transferring data. Now we'll run the POS software we've installed to show how Backoff works. First, we'll log in. We'll buy 3 items, and for the sake of simplicity, we'll pay with cash. Since we're using actual production POS software, the transaction wouldn't complete if we used fake credit card data. You can see the receipt, so the cash transaction is complete. In the log file, you can see that everything we did in the POS system has been captured here and sent to the hacker's server, including my login codes. It's bad enough that my credentials have been stolen, but note that if I had paid with a credit card, all that data would show up here and be stolen as well. Notice that the last keystrokes captured here have a 1421 timestamp. It's easy to see why this malware is a nightmare for retail businesses. Even antiviruses have no effect against Backoff attacks. So how do you solve this problem? COMODO has a lightweight, cost-effective solution that protects your application data even when user sessions are running on infected devices. Securebox wraps critical applications and data in a non-modifiable container that treats all outside processes as hostile and denies access to the application. So regardless of what kind of malicious software is running on the device, your cardholder data and credentials are safe. Now I will run the POS application inside Securebox. Now this POS application is running inside Securebox, and I am going to log in and make the same purchase I did before. The transaction is complete. Notice that the application ran quickly and reliably, and my user experience was not affected in any way. Now let's open the log file for proof that Backoff was defeated. You can see that the last keystrokes captured are the same ones we showed you last time with that 1421 timestamp. Securebox completely blinded the hacker to everything that happened during the protected user session. As you can see, your application and your sensitive customer cardholder data are safe with Securebox. COMODO, creating trust online.